Are you for the demand for matte eyeshadow palettes is soaring as makeup lovers increasingly seek versatile, blendable shades that work for both everyday wear and bold looks. Whether you're a seasoned MUA, a casual beauty enthusiast, or just building your first palette collection, matte formulas offer timeless appeal. In this guide, we review the best matte eyeshadow palettes on Amazon, evaluating pigmentation, blendability, versatility, value, and whether they're suitable for beginners or pros alike. List number: Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics Mini Eyeshadow Palette. The Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics is a cult classic for a reason. This compact palette features 6 cool-toned matte shades that are incredibly versatile, ideal for creating soft everyday looks or building depth for smokier styles. The ultra-blendable formula doubles as contour or brow powder, making it a multitasking must-have. Despite its minimalist appearance, this travel-sized palette packs major pigmentation, and the formula is talc-free and long-wearing. It's a dream for makeup minimalists and pros alike. However, with just 6 shades, it's not for those seeking bold, experimental color. Perfect for on-the-go application, the sturdy case and mirror make it easy to toss in your purse. If you're after classic matte neutrals with a cool undertone, this is a high-quality investment. List number: Shani Highly Pigmented Eye Makeup Palette, 120 colors. The Shani 120 color eyeshadow palette offers incredible value and variety. With a mix of matte, shimmer, and metallic shades, this palette is designed for artists and beauty lovers who love experimenting. The matte shades range from natural nudes to bright, bold colors, making it ideal for both everyday and editorial looks. Each shade is highly pigmented and surprisingly blendable for the price. While it's not the most compact option, it's perfect for makeup artists or serious beauty collectors. The shadows are long-lasting and apply smoothly with minimal fallout, though some colors, especially lighter mattes, may require building. Vegan and cruelty-free, Shani ensures beauty without compromise. For those wanting the most shade variety in one set, this is your go-to. List number: e.l.f. Perfect 10 Eyeshadow Palette Nude Mood. e.l.f. Cosmetics continues to impress with its affordable, high-quality products. And the Perfect 10 Eyeshadow Palette in Nude Mood is no exception. Featuring 10 richly pigmented matte shades, this palette focuses on neutral tones that flatter all skin types and eye colors. Its blendable formula allows for smooth application with little to no fallout, making it ideal for beginners. The palette is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, aligned with e.l.f.'s commitment to ethical beauty. It's perfect for those looking to create soft glam or natural looks, though it may not satisfy lovers of bold or colorful styles. The compact, sleek packaging also makes it travel-friendly. For under $10, this palette delivers serious value without skimping on quality. List 4. Maybelline The Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. A drugstore staple, the Maybelline The Nudes palette includes 12 matte and shimmer shades, ideal for both subtle daytime wear and dramatic night looks. While not exclusively matte, it includes a strong selection of blendable matte tones. The pigmentation is decent, especially given the price, and the shades are buildable for enhanced intensity. This palette also includes a dual-ended applicator, although you'll get better results with brushes. The mix of light, medium, and dark neutrals makes it easy to contour, highlight, and define the eyes. It's a great starter palette or travel essential for quick and reliable looks. The formula stays put for hours with a primer. If you're budget conscious and prefer a mix of finishes with strong matte performers, this is a reliable pick. List 5. You Can Be Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette 40 color. The You Can Be Spotlight palette is a powerhouse for bold beauty lovers. With 40 shades including vivid mattes, shimmering metallics, and radiant satins, it allows endless creativity. The matte shades stand out in particular for their buttery texture and intense pigmentation, especially in the reds, oranges, and pinks. While it includes shimmers, the matte formulas dominate the palette and perform exceptionally well for the price. The waterproof, long-wear formula ensures looks that last all day, or night, and there's minimal fallout. The packaging is sturdy and eye-catching, though a bit large for travel. Ideal for content creators, makeup artists, or adventurous beginners wanting a colorful collection that doesn't compromise on quality.